I just received my 320 piece eyelash cluster set. This is from the brand ESEENLO. So take a look. It does come in a little package like this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up just so we could take a look and see what actually comes inside your package and what the lash cluster lashes look like. Okay, I took it out of the package. It does come in a hard plastic casing like this. Take a look at that. And as you could see here, you do get different sizing options. So you get the smaller cluster lashes up top, and then they get a little bit bigger as you go down the row. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up to what those look like. Very, very nice. A little side view there. Then just kind of to show you what to expect. Again, if you're more like of a natural lash, then I would definitely go with the topper section here. But if you like a nicer, bigger lash, then definitely go with the bottom rows. Or if you want to go ahead and mix and match, I would highly recommend starting with the smaller lashes towards the front. And then as you get towards the end of your eye, you would want like the longer lashes just for a little bit more dramatic and open eye look. So overall, they feel very nice and fluffy. So I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for some affordable cluster lashes, then I would recommend ESEENLO 320 piece DIY lash set.